And you're under arrest.
I want my doctor.
Okay, well, you're not going to a doctor,
I
but...
want my doctor.
You're not getting a doctor, ma'am, okay?
I
Stop
want
being
my
a child.
doctor.
When I heard the bang, I came outside. When I came outside, she was positioned there. Her tire is this way on the right side, so it's undrivable. Her car is the right from
Yes,
where
I
she
hit
hit.
this one.
But I guess this is where we originally were parked, and then it's our wheel is in the ground here. This was shut.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
Where were you coming from? Are you guys friends or no?
no, I don't know.
You don't know.
I just
This
heard.
is your house though, right here?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how this happened?
I was coming from this way.
Silverado.
Okay. What else?
I hit her vehicle.
980.
Was it parked in the grass, the road? Where was it?
Her car is where it stands.
Okay. You realize this isn't like a little accident. Like, this is a pretty big deal, right? You do realize that, or no?
How fast are you going?
30 miles an hour.
Were you on your phone?
Because we got skid marks starting there. Did you hit the car? Did you then reverse and go that way?
No.
Is this your car? The black one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you were... Do you live around here?
Yes, I do.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Right down the road.
Where?
Right down the road.
Okay.
What is your address, ma'am? What is your address? For the 5th time, what is your address?
You don't have to.
Well, I would like an
Address.
answer when we ask you a question.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, I think it's pretty evident what's going on here.
Yeah, you should open the container right in front. Did you run this tag yet or no?
I did not. No, sir.
No one was in it, correct?
No.
Okay. So after you were coming around the bend, you hit that truck. 10-4. You were coming around the bend, you hit the truck. Alright. And then what? You just stopped after?
Yes.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
I heard, bam! And my daughter was in the bathroom curling her hair, and I was like, I dropped my computer and I ran outside. She goes, "Where are you going?" I said, "You didn't hear that." So I come outside. She's still in the car. The door's still shut. The airbag is out, and all I see is like dust, in the
Like
windshield.
the rosin from the explosion.
From
Yeah.
the airbag.
Yeah.
Whatever. So
I
then
get you.
I get out, go, "Are you okay?" I see a car seat in the car, and I'm like, "Oh my gosh, are you in the car with anyone?" I did not even know she had hit my car. I thought she hit
That
the
car.
car over there. So I never saw this side of her vehicle. When she got out, she says, "My husband was cheating on me." And so then she's like crying, but I don't see any tears. So then she says her husband was cheating on her with a man. And I said, "Okay, I'm sorry." And then she goes, "I can't have the police involved." But she called the police because I said, "I need to call the police." Once I walked back here, then one of the other neighbors came out and she goes, "What did you hit?" And I go, "I swear I could have banged." I said, "There's got to be something that she must have hit." But she was so far away from this car.
You're like, "Oh,
I
I can't."
didn't
Yeah.
never
No, I
think
got you.
that.
Well, that's like when I came up. That's why I asked you. I was like,
Yeah.
because I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah,
Would you be willing to complete a statement
Of
that she
course.
was behind the wheel
of course.
and the only occupant of the car?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. I just asked you this before, right? To just make sure you're sitting here. Okay. I don't have any.
That's fine.
You're not going... I'll let you hold on to the keys. Actually, I'm going to put the keys on the hood of the car. So you're not going in the car.
Onto the keys.
No, you won't. Not right now, you won't. Okay.
Eric, we'll use the crack. We'll use the crack over here.
Where?
Of the driveway. It's smooth, and it's a line she can follow. How about that?
My keys are the obligation.
The keys are not your obligation at this time because you smoked a car.
Stop.
My keys.
No, you're not getting your keys back.
My keys.
You can say it as many times as you want. It's not happening.
My keys are obligation.
Your keys are obligation? What does that even mean?
My keys are my obligation. My keys are my own. My keys are my possession. My keys are my
You got
possession.
your phone.
My keys are my possession.
Stand by your car,
My keys are
and
my
I will
possession.
explain everything to you.
My keys are my possession. So my keys are my possession.
You got to smell Eric.
Yep. Okay, let's go back by your car
My keys.
so I can figure out if I can give you your keys back. Okay?
Okay. My keys are my possession.
Alright, Jacqueline, I just need to read you this. Okay, so we're done with the civil part of this investigation, the crash part, so I just got to read you something real quick, alright?
Get to it.
I'm grabbing it. Got a lot of stuff in my hands right now. You have the right to remain silent if you say you just against you. The right to talk to an attorney. And if you're working already, your question. If you're not informed, you won't get one for anything. Anytime you stop talking about your question, I'll your question.
I do understand.
With these rights in mind, are you want to talk to me? It's a yes or no answer.
Do I have my car keys?
Did you understand the rights?
Do I
If you
have
said
my
yes.
car? Do I have my car
No,
keys?
they're in my pocket right now.
Do
'Cause
I
I'm
have my
conducting a
car
criminal
keys?
investigation.
Do I have my car keys?
Okay.
Do I have
I'm
my
going to
car
give you a
keys?
chance.
Do I have my car keys?
Okay.
Do I have my
Stop.
car keys?
Stop acting like a child.
Do I have
You're
my
30
car
years old.
keys?
Stop
Do
acting
I
like a
have my
child.
car keys?
Do you understand the rights as they've been read to you? And are you willing to talk to me? Yes or no?
Do I have my car keys?
No, you don't. They're in my pocket.
Do I have my
Don't
car
touch
keys?
me.
If you
Oh,
touch
I
him,
will not
me.
touch you.
Don't touch me.
Oh, I will not touch you.
Okay.
Do I have my car keys?
Okay. Are you willing to perform any of these exercises with me? Are you
Absolutely.
Okay, so
Let's perform these
okay.
exercises.
So you are willing to speak with me? Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. So let me just read this to you. I'm Officer Micelon of the Port Orange Police
My
Department.
salon.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's get to it.
It's important that you understand and are listening to me. Okay.
where are you going?
The case number is
Oh, I'm going nowhere.
PO
You need to call.
230007011. Okay.
Alrighty.
Let's go over here where it's light out so you can see better. Okay. All right. You see this crack right here?
I do.
Right here. You see this crack? All right.
I do.
Just stand with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Okay.
Do you mind if I take my pants off?
I do mind. There's no need for your pants to come off right now.
Well, I do mind.
Okay. Please keep your pants on. Okay.
I do mind if my pants
Please
are on
keep your
or
pants
not.
on. Please
Well,
keep
if
your
I'm
pants
gonna
on.
do this test appropriately,
Please keep
I'm
your
gonna
pants
need
on.
my pants off.
We're not even at the exercise part yet. Okay.
I understand
Please state-
that, but I'm
listen.
gonna need my pants off.
Jacqueline, please state your name, your
Sir,
address, and
what
your
is
height.
your first name?
My name is Officer Micelon. Please state your
Just
weight.
moved here.
Please state your weight, eye color, age, and date of birth. Pull your pants up. I'm not going to ask you again. Pull your pants up.
I'm gonna need to have my pants off for this
Freeze
test.
outside. There's no need to do that.
I'm gonna need to have my pants
Please
off
state
for
your
this
weight.
test.
Please state your weight,
Okay,
eye
well
color,
then you ain't
age,
gonna have this
and
test.
you're under arrest. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
I ain't done nothing to you. I ain't done nothing to you.
Yeah, they're not looking at cussing now.
I ain't done nothing to you.
That's all right. Hey, what's up, buddy?
How are you?
I didn't do nothing to you.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Well, running from us doesn't help.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Alright, are you injured at all? Are you injured at all? Jacqueline? Are you injured at all? Yes or no? I saw her glasses somewhere. I saw glasses somewhere. There they are.
No.
Are these hers?
Yeah, those are hers.
Alright, Jacqueline, stand up. Stand up. Let's be a big girl. Stand up. Are you injured at all? Yes or no? Jacqueline. Okay, so if you weren't aware, you are being placed under arrest, right, for DUI, refusal, and resisting, okay? Are you injured at all? Yes or no? Do you want medical attention? Yes or no? Okay. If you don't answer me, I won't know if you're
I
injured or
want
not.
medical attention.
Okay. What's hurting you? You know you're so tired. What's hurting you?
I want my doctor.
Okay, well, you're not going to a doctor,
I
but...
want my doctor.
You're not getting a doctor, ma'am, okay?
I
Stop
want
being
my
a child.
doctor. You mother month.
Seems fine to me.
You mother.
You're being a child. Stop. Stop. Oh, now. Battery. Good job. That's a felony now.
Get in the car. A female's coming. She's going to search you in a couple minutes, okay?
You.
I think I dropped the phone, Eric.
I got my phone. That's what I'm looking for. When she kicked, it kind of like scraped against me a little bit. Did it hit you at all?
It hit me.
Okay. Where?
My knee. Right knee.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of it. I guess arrow times 2. Alright, Jacqueline. So you're under arrest, you refuse to participate in exercises, you tried to run away, okay? So now I'm requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take that test? I just need a yes or no answer. Okay, I'll read it to you one more time. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? Will you take the test? Yes or no? Is that a no? Is that a no or a yes? Is it a no or a yes? Okay. For refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, blood, or urine. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or under Florida State Statute 327, 35, 215, for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you'll be committing a misdemeanor. In addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law, refusal to submit to a lawful test I've requested is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I've just read to you? Do you understand what I've just read to you? Yes or no? And then I'll stop talking to you. You just got to answer these questions. Did you understand that? Yes or no? Okay.
Got it. Easy enough.
Don't try and do anything.
Do you-
We got 4 officers here.
Do you want to take all of it out? I can.
If you're
I'll get
with that.
Hey, listen real quick. I just gotta make sure you have nothing on you, okay? Nothing sharp? No needles, anything that's gonna stick me? Alright, I'm gonna take that as a no. Don't kick, don't kick. Keep your feet down, okay? Come here, give me your feet this way. Keep them over here. Don't kick. Don't kick. Hey, listen, I explained to you what's gonna happen. Just don't. No. Don't kick. Don't kick. Listen, just explain to you. You're not gonna kick, okay?
I just said get the f off me.
And I said no.
I just said get the f off me.
You're gonna sit. Don't kick. Give her a couple.
You're doing this all to yourself tonight.
Give me 1 second. We transfer.
I'll be doing this too. I hope you know that.
I got it.
You do nothing.
There.
Nothing.
She kicked you, right?
In the face.
Shoot you in the face.
Shoot me in the face.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Looks like she got you a little bit on the nose.
Yeah, it's fine.
Lean back. Stop. Stop it. I don't want to do this. Stop.
Don't want to do
You want me to hold her from the other
But
side?
yeah, you're doing it. But yeah, you're doing it.
There's no
But yeah,
choice.
you're doing it.
You want me to help?
But yeah.
Stop.